Hooked on and took one time. Climb on my top of mine. Pull on my strings like kite.
Hey guys! Dumating na yung in-order ko na plants online. So, unbox na natin.
Mama said I should be careful. I admit it. I'm under it. Your influence moving, pumping through my veins. I'm tripping on your love. Got me so fucked up, coming down when you leave. Jones in my bones, I'm in need. Bring it on back to me. I'll breathe it in deep. When I'm losing that sleep, and loving and I'll take a repeat. And you got me on a whole another level. Mama said I should be careful. I admit it. I'm under it. Your influence moving, pumping through my veins. I can't quit it. Give me warning. So addicted, twisting up my DNA. Tripping on your.
This is the brown turkey feigen. Mas nice. So this is the Goji-Berry.
I admit it.
So nag-order ako ng 4 kinds of berries and then fig. One variety of fig. This one is brown turkey. Meron na siyang meron na siyang bunga. Meron na siyang bunga. Ito naman is, I think this is blueberry pink lemonade. Ito siya is, yung pag namunga siya, tapos nahinog, yung kulay ng fruit niya is pink. And then, may isa pa akong blueberry. And then, ito siya is yung normal lang na blueberry. Golden raspberry. So, yellow yung kulay niya. Yes, yan. And then, ito is Goji-Berry. Lagi ko tong naririnig or nakikita sa mga Chinese movies. Goji-Berry. Ano din to, superfood. Pwede siyang kainin fresh or dried. Tapos sa Chinese is siya, medicinal na berry. Goji-berry. Brown turkey fig. So may bunga na siya. Oh my love, I'm so excited.
Getting more than a side in a DM. You got me on a whole another level. Mama said I should be careful. I admit it.